Alibaba update. So we were talking about this before their earnings. Now officially they have reported earnings. Stock is down 4%. Earnings lower, revenue higher. You can contribute it to just like every single company that reported earnings this quarter to inflation. So let's go from here. What's going on with technicals? And if you're here for confirmation bias, well, sorry, we don't do that here. So I will keep it as real as possible. I was looking for $100 puts for this week, but a little bit expensive. Not playing anything. I don't have a position right now, but I am monitoring this volume weighted average price, which is 105. So in the morning, stock opened at $100. Just like I said, $100 is a psychological support. But if market, overall market, US market is doing significantly better than overall market. Dollar commodities are going crazy. Dollar is shooting up. Crude is 5% up right now. Volatility is at 34. So people pretty much in a panic mode right now. So if it does slip, I think if it does slip this $100 level, just like we said on my previous video where we, let me go back. So where we drew a support line right at that $86 level, I think. So that's my support now. So it doesn't mean that I will be correct that this stock will get there, but it's opportunity. The probabilities are, well, let's take a look. I'm not gonna I'm just gonna go, let's say March 18th. I'm not gonna go this week. It's tomorrow is gonna be already Friday, so short week as well, pretty volatile short week. So probability of this stock going below $100 is 40% if you look at the March 18th. But what's the probability of that thing hitting 85? So if you say, well, I think the stock can go to $85. Well, 16%. That's what market is pricing in right now. So basically market is saying that stock can move up or down. This is option market, all right? $15 up or down by March 18th. So $15 down from 105, it would put the stock somewhere around 90 bucks, but $15 up can put the stock somewhere around $120. So, and if I'm looking at this, well, $100 strike price, today's volume 1600, that's the puts traded. And let's take a look at the 120 calls. What's the volume for 120 calls? So pretty much same amount of pretty much move, $15 move, $15 move up or down. So 1100 contracts, that's the volume traded. But what about the total put to call ratio? Put to call ratio is pretty much even. Almost 84,000 calls were traded so far, 72,000 puts were traded so far, and it's still early, all right? It has only been 2 hours since market opened, but I'm watching. Well, I didn't want to bring it up, but as you guys know, with all this madness that is going on with Russia-Ukraine invasion, I think that if you're gonna hear more about China, Taiwan, that's gonna get ugly for Chinese stocks. All right, so and I will be very, very cautious. I'm not saying that it's happening tomorrow, but just if you're a long-term investor and if you see this stock go up, I don't know, 50%, 60%, whatever, that's the opportunity. That would be, it's just my thinking, if I was in any Chinese stock, and I would, all these political games, I would just get the hell out of these stocks and just stay in US markets. So that's, again, that's not I'm not trying to influence your decision or anything like that. It's not an advice, but it's just my, that's what I was thinking the whole morning, even overnight when I was watching everything going crazy. I'm look at the Russian market. It's down from their highs, almost like 60%, and today alone their market is halted and it's down 33%. And there are stocks that are listed in NASDAQ, such as Yandex, which is YNDX. It's their Google, basically. And that stock is down today alone 54%. 54%. Back to its 2015 basically levels. From 87 about 2 months ago to $15. And that's their Amazon right here, OZON. I don't know if you have heard of it, but I was back in when they went public, I was watching it around the 60, 50 levels. I was short biased at these 50s, but just because the way it moved, I never made money. But look at it, this stock is $8 right now. So stocks can go much lower than you think. But again, that's it. That's the video for Alibaba. So to the upside, I'm gonna be watching if it tries to bounce. 110 is now my resistance, because it was very pivotal support, slipped below now. So 110, that's what I'm watching as a resistance. So thanks for watching. See you in the next update. Take care. Peace.